So in this pseudocodes, okay, now important for majority of the placements, okay, whether you call Accenture company, Capgemini company, 25 questions they are giving from pseudocodes. Accenture 18 questions from this. Infosys also they are giving 4 to 5 questions from this. And majority of the topics, majority of the companies, they are entering into pseudocodes discussion because, okay, irrespective of any branch, whether you are from CS allied branches or non-CS allied branches, this is everybody can handle. Now, non-CS allied students, they cannot say, okay, I'm weak in coding and all. This is common for everyone. Everyone can understand. Any branch student can easily understand and solve the questions if you have the methodology. And sir, why you kept this in first year itself for us? Because as you are learning programming now, if you understand the pseudocodes properly, okay, then you can do it will help you for programming as well. Before algorithm and flowchart, I can say pseudocode is the before step of all those. Before algorithm and flowchart, we can claim pseudocode is the first thing. It's language free. It's not dependent on C or Python or nothing like that. Okay. Now, basics what you require before entering into pseudocodes is you should know conversions from binary to decimal, decimal to binary. This, okay, everyone must and should know that to bit speed way, because every question hardly you need to solve in 1 minute. Means this should be done in 10 to 20 seconds only for any given number, binary to decimal or decimal to binary. We need to do it in 10 to 20 seconds only. That much speed we need to be. The input will be binary, output will be in binary only. In between, when you do any operations or when you perform any operations, XOR or AND operations and all, whatever you do, you need to convert this and then only you can convert or we can apply. Because there are bitwise operators. You people already may got some idea in your C language, okay, operators, bitwise operators, and okay, or operator, and operator and all. So those they'll use here, okay, in every question. So that if you want to do before that, you need to convert decimal to binary, right? So now let us say I have to go for okay 32 binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Binary to decimal is easy. Let's say 101101. This is binary number. You need to convert into decimal, right? So then what you can do, you can just keep in mind, okay, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 2 powers increasing. Why you written 2 powers, sir? What is the base here? 2. That right, this is 2 powers. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Wherever 1 is there, add that. 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is nothing but 45. That's it, completed. Binary to decimal is this. Okay, so for any binary value if they're given, or maybe you got in the process, if you want to convert into decimal means write that, okay, for every, you have to start from 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2 powers only you have to mention. Binary to decimal is bit easy only. But this should be done within, as I mentioned, okay, 10 seconds or 15 seconds you need to do that. Otherwise in exam it will be a bit difficult to handle the things. Right, good. Next one. One more example for binary to decimal. Okay, 1101. Then what you can do? Now you have to keep in mind that okay, this things no need to write next onwards. This should be there in your mind. Okay, one write on paper. Don't write everything on paper. It will drag the time. Every 5 seconds or 10 seconds also important for us. Don't write everything on paper. As it comes to this MCQs and all, in university exam, you write more and more on paper, you may get more marks. That's a different thing. But for competitive exams, think without ink is the policy. Without ink, maybe you do some mistakes, but at least use less ink. Right? So 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is nothing but 13. Right? So binary to decimal, I hope it's easy for you. Next, what is the other one? Decimal to binary. Right. So when you want to move from decimal to binary, Let us say I have you, fine, you tell me any two-digit number. 20, 40, 44. Okay. So this one I need to convert into binary. Generally in exam, as time is less, they also know they are giving only generally 7, 8, 9, 10, like small numbers only, but fine, no problem. Let it be 44 also. See, if this is less than 2 power 6 or not, 2 power 6 is how much? You always keep in mind 2 power because now 2 is here, base is 2, right? So 2 power 6 is 64, less than that. Right now you need to see with which combination. 32, okay, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Now 32 required, then what is left over? 12, means 8 and 4, that's it, remaining zeros completed. Remaining zeros, which combination I want once you put there. 32 plus 8 is 40, 40 plus 4 is 44. Sir, why you started at 32? I clearly mentioned 2 power 6 is 64. All 64 is more. I want only 2 powers. 64 is more than 44. Don't go for that. Okay, so I have to, the last power should be less than this. Close to that. Close to 44 and less than that only I have to stop. Now any other number, somebody else said some other number. Two-digit number, that's it, not more than that. They don't go more than that. Yes? 26. Okay. Then I have to stop at 16 only. 2 power 5 is 32. Don't go crossing that. So 16. Then what is left over? 10. I'll take 8. Then 2. That's it. From highest onwards you assign. 16, then 8, then I left only 2. I went for 2. I don't go for 4 because I want only 2 now. Assign from high to low. Right, so you may understand going forward some questions, at least in today's session, one question we'll discuss why this is required. You may understand that. Next, I'll just recall that operators, AND operator, OR operator, or null. Okay, so fine. Why, sir? I'll just show you in the exam, maybe during the questions, you'll get scenario like this. 4 XR 6 you need to perform in process. Okay, this is now I'm not asking right now. So see, maybe during the question, somewhere else you need to calculate 4 XR 6. The symbol is for XR. The symbol is used for XR operator. AND operator, AND symbol. OR operator is one line. Okay, so like that, this symbol is actually used for XR operator. So what's the XR operator will do? Anyone know? XR operator purpose. You can simply think about marriage. Is both males marriage, is it legal? Okay, maybe legal right now. There is something going on in courts and all. Okay, let it be. Okay, okay, fine. So here, like, okay, I mean to say, okay, two different genders, right? Okay, marriage is fine, happy life. Okay, all those. So fine. So if it is both ones are there, your answer should be 0. XR operator, if both inputs are 1, answer is 0. Both are 0, answer is 0 only. See that I mean to say, marriage means one male, one female, two different. 1 0 means answer is 1. 0 1 means answer is 1. Two different required, same not required. Okay, so okay, that's what I just want to convey you. Then if I want to do 4 as XR6, what is the answer means? First I have to write 4 in terms of binary. What is 4 binary values? 100. 1 2 4, right? Okay, then 6 must be 4 plus 2, 6, 1 1 0. Now XR operation, these are bitwise operators, bit to bit. Now first bit, you see what is this 0 and 0? What should be there? 0. 0 and 1, 1 and 1, 0. Finally left with 0 1 0 means nothing but 2. This is binary. I need to convert into this fastness you require. In questions when you go through, okay, there is an operation where you need to do XOR and all. Okay, and that too they'll give decimal values. In fast note, you need to convert into binary, perform the operation, get the result in binary, convert that into the decimal again. This is what the requirement. And sir, I got 4 XOR 4. Blunder, it is 0 only. I said XOR should be 2 different. Same means anyhow 0. 2 different only. Sir, A XOR A sir, 0 only dear. No second thought. Same XOR operation I am calling about. It's not about AND. If it is AND means A and A is A only will come. That's a different thing. I am talking about XOR operator only. Many people are very much familiar with AND operation, OR operator, AND operator, OR operator, but many will confuse with XOR. Okay, we'll discuss regarding OR operator also, no problem. Hope you are done with this, right? Now, same example, let us say, okay, or maybe we'll practice bit new things as well. Okay, so let's say the other question is like, I have to do 5 XOR 11, 5 XOR, sorry, 5 or 11. OR operator I need to do. Okay, I think single is sufficient. 5 or 11. OR operator. If you want to do OR operator, single line only, right? OR operator or double line? Double line. Fine. So there is logical and okay by bitwise logical both are there. So fine, let it be. That's OR operator I am calling about. Now first you need to convert 5 in. This is bitwise only. Bit to bit you only need to calculate. 5 in binary, can anyone say? 1 0 1, because 4 to 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 11 8 4 no 2 1. This you have to take 0 by default, as 11 is 4 digit, 4 bits. Okay, 5 also I should take 4 bits before you put 0. Now OR operator, you know, it's like we have 2 entrance for our seminar hall, right? 2 doors are there. Okay, if you open door 1, can you enter into the seminar hall? For the seminar hall, I have 2 doors, door 1 and door 2, here itself, door 1, door 2. If you open door 1, still you can enter. If you open door 2, still you can enter. If you open both, still you can enter. That's what our operator is. Means both 1 also 1, means both open. 1 means I am saying like open. 0 means close. So for this seminar hall, if you open door 1, yes, okay, 1, door 2 closed, 1 0 combination, 1 0 combination also 1, 0 1 combination, first door open, close, second door open, also you can enter. Both ones also, both opened also, you can enter. First door closed, second door opened also, you can enter. This is actually 16. All ones, sorry, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. This is binary. This result is in binary. Okay, I want to convert into decimal. Okay, when I do 5 OR operator with 11, I want answer finally 15. Sir, A and A both are same, means you will get A only, dear. Same, both are same, means you will get same only. Because if it is suppose say 5 and 5, 1 0 1 1 0 1, 1 plus 1, 1 and 1 OR operator is 1 only. 0 and 0 OR operator 0. If both are closed, can you enter into the seminar? If both closed, you cannot enter. That's what 0 0 means. 0, you cannot enter. 1 0, first one open, second one closed, or second one open, first one closed, both open, you can enter. Okay, that's what. Okay, here if you do A OR operator, A doing OR operator again with A, same thing is that A only will come. Similarly, AND operator also same thing. A and A will be A. AND operator, but AND operator generally what will happen? AND operator, see, AND operator is like this. AND operator, just to understand AND operator. AND operator is like, okay, your fine 10th and intermediate, Okay. If anyone failed, can you enter into engineering? BTech course, first year? No. So it's like you can consider 10th and enter. If anyone failed, you cannot enter into engineering course. So both pass, then only you can, whether it is something you got rank or not. If you pass, at least there is a management category, something like you. But the condition is minimum. You should pass in 10th and enter. There may be some XYZ conditions as well. The basic criteria is you should pass. So 10th you should pass. Inter fail, is it allowed? No. 10th fail itself, not allowed. So you need to pass both. That's why when it is 1 1, then only one will come. If any one is 0, you cannot enter. Right. So that's what. Okay. This, suppose you need to do 6 AND operation with 2. Then what will be the result? 6 means what? Binary. 1 1 0. 2 means 0 1 0. Now if you do AND operation, both 1 means then only 1. 0 1 0, which is nothing but 2. So AND operator, same numbers, if you do AND again, we will get same number only. A and A is A. Okay. And good thing, don't worry sir, I don't know about this XR operator, I forgot. In exam they are giving below note, what is that operator? Okay, if both are 1, then only 1, otherwise it is 0, like that they are explaining in the question itself. In question itself, they are giving the instruction below, what are the operators they are using in the question. They are explaining this operator. This AND symbol is a bitwise operator. Both inputs are 1, then only 1, otherwise 0. Okay, they are explaining that in the below question, so no worry. But what is our point is, there in exam, within a minute you are going through what is that operator meaning, and then applying will take time. So if you know already that operator symbol, what is that, then you can speed up the things. Right, that's what our intention is. So I hope you got the clarity. Can anyone say now 90? Oh, 90 is a big number, right? So I'll just give some small number. 50, can anyone convert into binary? What is 50 binary value? 50 binary value. 50 is decimal. I want binary. 32, 16, 48 gone. Then I don't want 8. I don't want 4. I want 2. I don't want 1. 32 required. 16 required. We don't want 8. We don't want 4. I think, yeah, sorry. 50, right? Yeah, I want 2. I don't want 1. So that speed is badly required while solving the question, because you people can expect that, okay, in exam you need to convert from binary to decimal, decimal to binary. And I'll show a question here. See, this is what a lot of steps are involved. In between, at least you need to apply those things. See here, AND operators and all. I think this is basic. I'll show one question at least which is involving that XR and all. These are all basic stuff. But questions what they are giving in exam, and okay, where it involves all those operators. One example I'll just let you know, so that, yeah. Here if you see this 10th question, only one question for today's session. See the 10th one. What they given here? A value 1, B value 1, C value 7. Okay, A is 1, B is 1, C is 7. I hope you understand how to convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal, and what is that XR operator, AND operator, OR operator, right? So now A equal to A plus B means 1 plus 1. A is updated to 2. Previously A is 1, now it is updated to 2. Write 1 and then cancel and write 2. Don't directly write 2. You maintain that, okay, you have to know first 1 is there, then it is overlapped or maybe, okay, stored by other number 2. Okay. Next one, if of A plus B. Listen, this function I think they explained below, or some other example. See here. I don't know if of means what, right? They explain here. if of x gets executed if inside value is not equal to 0. We can enter into the if loop if inside value is not equal to 0. Here they explained in the last line. The same question last line is if of x get executed if the value inside that is not equal to 0 means x is not 0. Here if inside what is there? A plus B. A plus B is A value 2 already. B value 1 means 3. A updated to 2 now. If of 3 it's not equal to 0 definitely we'll enter into this loop. Okay, we entered. What is next one? B plus C XOR A. Listen, when you do XOR operation, it won't give negative value. It will give only positive value or it may be worst case 0. Yeah, when both are same, you will get 0, right? So there is other chance also you will get 0. But already B value is how much? B value how much? 1. Whatever the result it might be, I'll enter, right? Don't waste your time by doing C XOR A here. For practice, you can do. But what I mean to say, if is entered, we can enter if it is not equal to 0. Already B is there. B plus something, 1 plus, it may add some other value or it is 0 also chances. XOR operation, the result can be 0. There is a chance you may get 0 also, fine, no problem. But I can get 1 is there. So 1 is also there means I can enter into that. So I can enter here in this if loop. So what's the next one? A should be assigned as 2. Already A value 2 only we have. B is 1, C is what it is initially? C value is 7. Okay. Now what they said, okay, A equal to 2, that's already there. Initially 1 is there, that's updated to 2. B equal to A. B is 1, now it is updated to 2. A to B to C value 7. We are ending that. Finally, you need to do A plus B plus C. Means 2 plus 2 plus 7 will get 11 as the answer. It's available in option A. 2 plus 2 plus 7 is nothing but equal 11. It's available in the option. Check it out. And see, you must and should be forced to do XOR operation if suppose if they don't give B plus. Sir, then what is the purpose of learning XOR operator and all? Okay, but suppose instead of B plus they'll say if C XOR A, I have to definitely calculate C XOR A. Is it not equal to 0 or is it equal to 0 or not? Then only I can enter or not. Okay, if not, what will be the problem? If you don't enter means A will be 2 only, B will be 1, C will be 7. Sum is nothing but 10. I can end with 10 answer if you don't enter into that loop. Because A is definitely updated to A equal to 2 already done. B1, C7, summation will be 10 if I don't enter into that. Okay, so here, if they suppose, let's say, instead of B plus C XOR A, if simply they put if C XOR A, then I'm forced to do that. C XOR A means C value 7, A value 2. So can anyone say what is 7 XOR 2 value? 7 is nothing but 111. Yeah, 5. Somebody said yes, 1015. Some people, when they see the result, immediately they'll think, sir, XOR operator is subtracted, sir, 7 minus 2, 5, sir. That's why 7 XOR 2, 5. Don't decide like that. If that is subtracted, in any books by this time, they'll mention it's a subtractor only. Don't think like that. 7 XOR 2, we got 5. It's not meaning 7 minus 2 is 5. Sir, you said A XOR A is 0, means A minus A is 0. XOR operator is a subtractor. Don't conclude. Okay, if it is all there, there are a lot of years happened. XOR operator long back they bring it to picture. So and they by this time they may conclude it is a subtractor means they'll tell already. Don't go for wrong conclusions. Okay, we just do that operation, convert into decimal again, decimal to binary, binary to decimal. That you need to speed up. Okay, anyhow for this question it is not required, but some questions it may demand, so you should do the things right. Thank you.